Here's a quick overview of how to manage your multi-channel hashtags in Planoly. In your multi-channel workspace, there's two ways to manage your hashtags. First, go to your hashtag manager in your web dashboard by clicking the pencil icon, then clicking the hashtag tab to see and manage all your multi-channel hashtags. Any multi-channel groups you've already created will be here. Create a new group by clicking Add Group, then give your group a name, description if you want, and add your hashtags. When you're done, save your group and it'll appear in the hashtag manager. If you'd like to change an existing group, simply click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner to edit, make a copy, or delete that group. You can also add mentions or other text you may need and see the limits for all content at the bottom. The second way to manage your hashtags is within the multi-channel posting experience. Click on the calendar icon to go back to your posts. Then you can select an existing post or create a new post. For each channel, there's a button to add your hashtags within the caption box. Click hashtags to see your hashtag groups appear to the right of your post. All of your multi-channel hashtag groups will be available, and if you have any hashtag groups from your Instagram planning workspace, those will be there too in pink. In this view, you can manage your hashtags very similarly to the hashtag manager. You can click the three dots to edit, copy, or delete any multi-channel groups. Instagram-only groups are available to insert, but you won't be able to edit them in the multi-channel workspace. You can create a new hashtag group by clicking Create New Hashtag Group at the bottom of the sidebar. When you're customizing your post details, for each channel, you can insert any of your hashtag groups into a post by clicking Insert Hashtags. To switch channels, simply click into another channel's post, then insert your hashtag groups there too. You can exit from the hashtag menu by Xing out at any time to fully see the rest of your post details. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.